Hi guys, today we gonna show you how to replace a mainboard for PC desktop i5 i5 2400, and the motherboard it's H61, as you can see, H61. Okay, this is the new one. And this one, the damaged one. Okay, this one it's H61. Okay, we were gonna first we have to test the mainboard. We have to test the mainboard first to see how if it's work fine, everything. After that we will fix it on the case. Okay, let's start now. Let's change from this to this. Now we have to remove. First we'll press here down, we'll take it to the right to open it. We remove the plastic. There is a lock here. When we remove it, it's already open. Okay, we have to check if there is any dust here. Okay, now we will remove also the old CPU for the damaged mainboard. Okay, we have to check everything is the same because of the number of the mainboard. It should be the same. H61. Now we will put this here. Okay, we have to put it slowly. Okay, we have to be sure this one down the screw. Okay, after that we have to press it slowly. If there is a hard press, don't do it. Just back again, open it and check exactly if it's in the same place, in the right place, the CPU in the right place. After that you have to be sure first. After that you have to press slowly. Don't make it hard for yourself. Okay, now we will close this. I will take the one RAM, only one RAM first to check. There is no problem with the RAM. Here we have to check slowly. Okay, now we will fix it. Open two locks for the dim one. After that we have to press slowly. Okay, now it's already done. Now we will put this on the side. Okay, now we will put a little in the middle. Okay, just put in the middle. When you just push the fan, it will be everywhere. Okay, now you have to put the fan slowly. Just be sure there's one here. You have to check first the heads for the locks. Okay, and keep this on opposite the arrow. Okay, now we have to put it. Let's check slowly, everything slowly. Okay, just be sure. Now from down. Okay, we'll see this one, all the locks, it's on the holes. Okay, now we will press slowly, one by opposite one. Okay, tick. When you hear click, it's fine, it means it's already okay. Now we have to put, just be sure, CPU fan. You will see here CPU fan. This is important. Some people they fix it here. There is another one here. It's system fan. You should not fix it on the system fan. Maybe you will damage the main board. Okay. Now we have to do it slowly. Okay. Don't fight with the motherboard. Okay. Just do it slowly. Okay. Better for us to pass the wire from the side. Okay. It's better from here. Okay, or from inside. Better to make it stick inside, to not be hit the fan. Okay. Okay. You will find here a bridge for that on the side. Okay. After that we will put it also slowly from here. You have to put it inside. Better to keep it far from hitting the fan. Okay. Now okay, now everything fine. Okay, we have to turn on. After we fix the power supply, we have to check here where is the power switch. Okay, power switch. You can say this one, power switch. You can use any screw, just to hit here slowly. Touch it, it will be working. And the opposite one, the wrist one, and this maybe the hard disk lid, the light for the hard disk, and the system light. Slowly, after we fix the first one and to check everything fine, we will fix everything and we will show you how to do it, because some main boards you cannot read anything on it, like this one. Okay, we'll fix now the power supply. Okay, now we will fix the separate cable. Okay, now we will fix the power cable and on the power supply. Okay. Okay, now, and we will fix also the VGA cable. The VGA cable. Okay. This just for checking, because this one it's a new motherboard. Okay, now we will start. Okay, now already started. Okay, it's working fine. That's great. Okay guys, everything done here now. We will take it to the desktop case now and we will fix it. And we have also to add here a VGA card, GeForce for gaming. Okay, after that we will check again, but the important here, everything fine. Okay, and that's it. We have to start fixing. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, now first actually guys, this computer for one of my customers, he's very famous with damaging. Just he bought from me for 5 months. and he start playing with the wires and doing some things for the computer, and he's banged the motherboard. Okay, he's damages, and now we have to watch here. There is bad with the wires. Okay, and okay, we'll try to change it later or to fix it. Okay, now we have to take the cables, all the cables, to this place to know how to work, to make it free for me to work. First we have to remove this aluminium, okay, cover, and we will put another one for the main board. It's coming with the main board. Okay, this is the one with the main board. Okay, now we will check this, the mouse, the keyboard mouse, and VGA, and the COM one. This is very old. Okay, this one USB RJ45. Okay, we'll bend this to up. Okay, and then there is nothing we can see here with the main board. Okay, it will be fixed. First you have to try it here before you fix it. Okay, everything, there is nothing here, no problem. Okay, everything fine. Okay, now we will fix this. Okay, slowly, you have to push it slowly too. Okay, when you heard the sound, click, it will be fine. Okay, now you'll put it slowly, remove the cables, okay, put it down. After that, put it on the, arrange it exactly in the place. Okay. Now this one on this screw, see, and this one, and here there's one. Okay, and there is one here. It's fine. If it's big main board, you have to fix everything. It's more like 6 screws here. Okay, now we will start doing the screws. Okay. Now the one near the dim slot. Okay, now we done here holding the main board. Okay, now we will start to do first the cables for the wired for starting power switch. You will read here, as you can see, power switch. Okay, power switch, you have to see all the main boards, the power switch here, like this, all the main boards, the power switch on this side near my nail. Okay, I will show you. It's this two, 1 and 2. Okay, and this one the rest button, both, and this one you have to check this one, the hard drive lid, and this one the system lid. Okay, okay, now we will start fixing. power switch. Okay. Now we just click it here. For you guys, don't do all the wires, okay? Or if you want to do it, just follow me now. Rest button. You see it? Rest button. Now it's behind it. Okay. Now the power LED, it means the case light, the computer light. Okay. We'll do it first. After that we put the, okay, we will separate them. Okay. After that the positive one should be outside, okay, near the white line here. Okay. We will fix this the power, the power light. This one the hard disk LED. Okay, where is the positive? It's not written the positive on it. We will check the cable. There is no white also on the cable. Okay, we will fix it. There is no dangers from this. Just it should be in the same place. Okay. Now we will just fix it. When we turn on the computer, we will see the response from the light. If it's light, just stable light, it's not moving, it means opposite. We have to turn it opposite side. Okay. Now this later. This one USB audio. Watch here, guys. Everything it's cannot be fixed only on the same place, but you have to read beside it. There is USB. Okay, USB, and here also this is the audio. Okay, we'll fix the audio. See, the one it's closed, and the one it's not, there is no pin on it. Okay, now we will put this also beside it. You can, if you are not sure, put it on this place. You read USB. Okay, also the same. Okay, now finish here. Okay, now we already done with the motherboard. This one for the VGA, after to give it more power. Okay. Now we have to fix the power supply. Okay, put it. Slowly, don't break the main board. And now you will fix it exactly the same with the lock. You have to check the lock, where is it, and on the board where is it also. Okay. Now this one, strong one, see, I catch it, I feel it's more bigger. Now we will search for the small one. Where are you? Okay, where are you? Okay, this is the one. There are two. We have to check here. There is, should be the same line. Okay, we'll try to see if it's fixed. No, this one no. This one yes. Okay, that's one right now. Okay, this one it cannot be fixed. You will see it's opposite shape. Okay, now we will start check the computer. Okay, close. You have to close the switch. Okay. Fix the cable, power cable. It's giving. Okay, now turn it from the bottom because we already fixed the switch. Okay. Okay, we forget to. Don't do like me. I forget to put the VGA cable. Okay. Okay. Okay, already run. That's great. Okay, now guys, we have to close the power switch from the back of the power supply. Okay. You should, when you work, you should not connect the power, or better to remove the cable from the back of the power supply. Okay. Now we will connect the hard drive. There is two hard drive here. Look how connected. Very nice work. You should put some screw or fix it more better than this. Okay, I'll do it for him later. Just now we will search for the SATA cable, the SATA and data cable. Okay, we'll put it on SATA 1. There is written here, you can see SATA 1, SATA 2, SATA 1, SATA 2. Okay, and we will fix it in a good way to not hit the fan. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. It cannot be touch the fan. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, we already connect the SATA cable. We have to check the power cable. It's connected or not. Okay, it's not connected. We have to take a cable from here. Fix it on the hard disk. We already fixed the power. Now we have to check it. Start. We have to fix this together with the plastic or with the tape. We will turn it on. Okay, to see. Okay, it's fine. So we have to fix also the keyboard. Now, guys, we will fix this one, and there is PCI Express power. It's in the power supply. It should be. We can fix it. Okay, we'll fix it later. Now we have to fix it in the board. We have to remove the lock. There is lock here. It's not to be like that. Close, open, to make this place pass inside. Okay. Now we have to fix the VGA card. Slowly check the way for that. If it's not entering, you have to see this place. You have to bend it a little, okay, because there is holes should be stick inside with this aluminum. Okay. already fixed it. Now we have to make the lock, to push the lock with any plastic. Okay, we already pushed the lock. Okay, to not be loose. Okay guys, now you will fix the second hard drive for him. Okay. This is the hard disk. I already fix it behind the face of the case. Okay, now we have to fix the power cable. Already fixed the hard drive behind the face of the case. Okay, now we will put the second one for him, the secondary hard drive. Yeah, we'll put it in this area, and the area before for the primary. Better for him, because if it's bang, it will be damaged. Like that, it's more better. Okay, fix that. More better. Okay, now we have to fix the power. Okay, no need to fix this one. I'll keep it the same for the hard drive again. The same one on the line. Okay, it's not reach. Okay, now we will use this one. It's not reach. Okay, now we'll put the cable on the SATA 2. Okay. have to check the thumb. Okay, no need to fix another RAM. Okay, it's fine now. Just we need to make screw for the VGA card. Okay, now it's already fixed. Okay, we have to, what we have else, I told him no need to fix this. Okay, just we will put a tape on them, no need for that. Okay, now everything is finished. Hope you are watching, guys. I hope you have this knowledge to do it by yourself. Okay, and if you have any question, please comment and ask anything you want. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.